The clouds are whispering secrets, slow and deep. A moment of stillness where her thoughts can't sleep. And the world fades away as the raindrops play. Every worry, every care disappears in the air. She breathes in the rain, letting it wash away the pain. The storm song is so serene, a lullaby of the in-between. In this quiet space she finds her peace, her grace. By the window she's free, just her, the rain and the breeze. The rhythm of the rain is a soft lullaby. She closes her eyes, lets the moments fly. The mist on the glass, the breeze in the trees, a dance of tranquility, a sweet release. And the world fades away as the raindrops play. Every thought begins to sway, and peace comes to stay. She breathes in the rain, letting it wash away the pain. The storm song is so serene, a lullaby of the in-between. In this quiet space she finds her peace, her grace. By the window she's free, just her, the rain and the breeze. In the silence there's no need to speak. The rain's the only sound she'll ever seek. Soft and slow, like a whispered prayer, she's grounded, floating in the air. She breathes in the rain, letting it wash away the pain. The storm song is so serene, a lullaby of the in-between. In this quiet space she finds her peace, her grace. By the window